Good morning students. Today our first question is चैप्टर का नाम है एपी सीरीज अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, in an AP third term is 7. In an AP third term is 7. Third term is 7 and T7 and T7 is equal to 2 plus 3 times of this one. इसमें हमारे पास थर्ड टर्म इज 7 मीन्स a plus 2d is equal to 7. First equation T7 is equal to 2 plus हमारे पास थर्ड टर्म गिवन है 3 into third term is this one a plus 2d T7. So we have to find sum of its 21st terms. S20 फाइंड आउट करना है। दैट मीन्स T7 का मतलब होता है a plus 6d is equal to 2 plus 3a plus 6d। तो इस केस में a minus 3a is equal to 2 minus 2a is equal to 2 and a is equal to minus 2 upon 2, that is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Put a is equal to minus 1 in 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus 2d is equal to 7. Or 2d is equal to 7 plus 1. Or 2d is equal to 8. Or d is equal to 8 upon 2. That is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 4. Now we have to find the sum of 20 terms. We have to find the sum of 20 terms. S20. तो इसमें इस केस में हमारे पास a is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 4. S20 is equal to 20 upon 2 into 2a plus 20 minus 1 into d, that is 10, is equal to 10 into minus 2 plus 19 into 4, that is 10 into minus 2 plus this one, that is 10 into 74, that is 740. As sum of 20 terms, that is equal to 740 is your answer. S20. Our second question is, इसमें हमारा second question है, these are the objective questions. Objective questions. Question number 2. Mth term of AP is n. Mth term of an AP is equal to n, yeah, is n, and nth term is m. nth term is n. then we have to, then the sum of its find out करना है its AP. Pth term is, its pth term is mth term of an AP is n, means a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. This implies a plus md minus d is equal to n. That is your first equation. Nth term is n. Nth term is m. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m. This implies a plus nd minus d is equal to m. That is your second equation. Therefore, a plus md minus d is equal to n is first equation, and a plus nd minus d is equal to m is your second equation. कैंसिल कर देंगे इसको, ये डिलीट हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव. md माइनस nd इज इक्वल टू n माइनस m. d कॉमन ले लेंगे, m माइनस n इज इक्वल टू m माइनस n इंटू 1 कैंसल, d इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. Put d is equal to minus 1 in 1. Put d is equal to minus 1 in 1. Therefore, a plus m d is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to n. A minus m plus 1 is equal to n. Or a is equal to m plus n minus 1. That is the value of a. The value of a is equal to m plus n minus 1 and d is equal to minus 1. This one. We have to find pth term is, its pth term. तो इसका pth टर्म फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इट्स pth टर्म, तो AP इज इक्वल टू a प्लस p माइनस 1 इंटू d. दैट मीन्स AP इज इक्वल टू, a मीन्स m प्लस n माइनस 1 प्लस p minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to m plus n minus 1 minus p plus 1 is equal to m plus n minus p. Therefore, pth term is equal to m plus n minus p is the answer. That is our second question. Our third question is, if let TR be the RS term of an AP. Question number 3. Let TR be the RS term of AP. RS term of an AP. RS term be on AP. And for R is equal to 1, 2, 3, for R is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. इस केस में for some positive integers m and n we have, for some positive integers, positive integers, for some positive integers m comma n, we have Tm is equal to 1 upon n and Tn is equal to 1 upon m. Then Tm is equal to, then Tmn is equal to, इसमें 4 ऑप्शंस है. नंबर 1 upon mn. Number 2 1 upon m plus this one. नंबर 3 इसमें है 1 and 0. Tm is 1 by n. This implies a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n. This implies a plus md minus d is equal to 1 by n. And Tn is equal to 1 by m. This implies a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. This implies a plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. First equation, and that is your second equation. A plus md minus d is equal to 1 upon n is your first equation, and a plus nd minus d is equal to 1 upon m is your second equation. Cancel. Md minus nd is equal to 1 upon n minus this one is equal to m minus n upon mn. This implies d कॉमन ले लेंगे. m minus n is equal to m minus n into 1 upon mn. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. This implies d is equal to 1 upon mn. d is equal to 1 mn. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में पुट कर देंगे a प्लस m टाइम्स ऑफ mn माइनस d का वैल्यू ही यस माइनस 1 अपॉन mn इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन n. तो इसमें ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. a प्लस d इज 1 बाई mn कैंसिल हो जाएगा. n कैंसिल. a प्लस 1 अपॉन n. दिस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन n. a माइनस 1 अपॉन mn इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई n. a माइनस 1 अपॉन mn इज 0. a इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन mn. ये हमारे पास a और d का वैल्यू 1 बाई mn आ गया. वी हैव टू फाइंड tmn. तो tmn फाइंड आउट करने के लिए tmn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस mn माइनस 1 इंटू d इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन mn प्लस mn माइनस 1 इंटू 1 अपॉन mn इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई mn प्लस mn इंटू 1 बाई mn माइनस 1 अपॉन mn. ये कैंसल. दिस इम्प्लाइज tmn इज इक्वल टू 1 इज योर आंसर. tmn इज इक्वल टू 1 इज योर आंसर. 1 is your answer. Our question number 4 is in an AP, question number 4. in an AP, Tm is 1 by n and Tn is 1 by m, then A minus D. Then A minus D फाइंड आउट करना है हमने. A minus D 0 1 0 1 1 upon mn and 1 upon m plus 1 upon n. इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में Tm is equal to 1 by n. This implies mth term, mth A plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by n. This implies A plus md minus D is equal to 1 by n. That is your first equation. And Tn is equal to 1 by m. This implies A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by m. This implies A plus nd minus D is equal to 1 upon m. That is your second equation. A plus md minus D is equal to 1 by n is first equation, and A plus nd minus D, that is 1 by n, is your second equation. इसमें cancel md minus nd is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon m is equal to m minus n upon mn. तो this implies D कॉमन ले लेंगे is equal to m minus n upon mn, और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. This implies D is equal to 1 upon mn. D is 1 upon mn. Next one is put D is equal to 1 upon mn in one first equation में. तो A plus m into 1 upon mn minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 upon n. m कैंसिल हो जाएगा. A plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 by n. A minus 1 upon mn is equal to 1 by n. 1 by n is equal to 0. तो लास्ट में A minus 1 upon mn is 0. This implies A is equal to 1 upon mn. Then we have to find A minus D. Therefore, A minus D is equal to 1 upon mn minus 1 upon mn is equal to 0. This implies A minus D is equal to 0. Our answer is first option. Question number 5 is, the sum of n terms of an AP is Tn. If Tn series, इसमें आ जाएगा आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. Our next question is, question number 5. The fifth term of an AP, the fifth term of an AP of n terms whose sum is of n terms whose sum is n square minus 2n is फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है आपका 5 7 8 16. 5 7 8 16. Sum is this one. That means Sn is equal to n square minus 2n. इस फर्स्ट रिलेशन ले लो. For n is equal to 1 2 3. S1 is -1. This implies S1 means sum of one term, and S2 for n is equal to 2. n is 2, इसमें डालेंगे तो S2 is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. This implies S2 means sum of first two term is 0. Second equation. T1 is equal to 1 is first equation, and T1 plus T2 is equal to 0 is your second equation. T1 का वैल्यू यहाँ पे डाल दो तो 1 प्लस या तो T1 प्लस 0 माइनस करके तो ये बन जाएगा आपके पास T1 का वैल्यू 1 means T1 is 1 and T2 plus T1 is equal to 0. तो T2 is equal to minus T1. तो T1 का वैल्यू यहाँ पे डाल दो -1. तो T2 is -1. T1 is 1. T2 is -1. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आ जाएगा T2 minus T1, that is -1 of -1 plus -1 that is -2. So that means A is equal to 1 and D is equal to -2. Fifth term A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D is equal to 1 plus 4 into this one 1, that is equal to D is -2. मतलब T1 का वैल्यू 1 है तो उधर -1 हो जाएगा तो -1 तो इस केस में हमारे पास 4 plus 4D that is -7 आंसर दे रहा है -7. डी. अच्छा ठीक है. ठीक है. SN is -. Yes, T1 is -1. T1 is -1. ओके. तो ये माइनस ऑफ -1. T2 is 1 and this one is 2. Okay, 2. D is 2. That is 9 is your answer. 9. तो इस केस में A जो है -1 हुआ फिर तो 7 is our answer. Our answer is this one.